Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pam, Pamela's Creations, and I come here today to show you the stitch markers I made and a Dollar Tree haul, which will be in the next video after I'm done recording this part. So I made these stitch markers for the breast cancer awareness in October. And I made a total of 10. Right now there's 9, so there's one in the box still. And it has the lever back. And I put this bottom piece on a split ring. So there you go. I'll show you with the black here, if I could just raise this up on my... Let's see here. I got these pink beads. The lighting, I swear, is horrible in here. But I got this here from Michael's, and then I got the beads at Michael's, and then I got the spacers at Walmart. And this little pearl thing, I can't remember where it came from, but yeah, here it is on the black. If you can see, there's too much orange going on here. I don't know if I have any more of the there we go. I did not put a jump ring on this part. I normally do. Just was doing something a little different. So I am selling these 5 for $15. If you're interested, I'll leave my my email down below in the description box, and I do PayPal and the Cash App if you are interested. These were fun to make, and I thought for, you know, the beads were on, this here part was on sale, really good price. So I thought, oh, I'm going to get some and make some stitch markers. All right, those are my stitch markers. And if you're interested in those, let me know. Yeah. And on to the Dollar Tree haul. All right, see you later. I'm here today to show you a Dollar Tree haul that I did about, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. I just haven't had a time to film it. And I was shocked to find out that my Dollar Tree for the first time has this yarn. I just couldn't believe it. I'm like, really? So I tried to grab as much as I can, being that I'm on a tight budget right now. This was awesome to find yarn. I couldn't believe it. Some of it I'm sending to some people or somebody, and others I'm keeping and gonna do a couple projects with. So I can't believe it. So I found, because everybody is showing this yarn, so I got this one here. It's 131 yards, and I got 3 skeins of those. So wow, isn't that amazing? And it is a zero. So I got 3 of those, and I may plan on going back on payday and grabbing more, but yeah. Then I thought this was cute. And this is called, what is this called? Maze. Now you can make a hat or a little cowl, you know, whatever your heart desires, even a shawlette of some sort. If you could get one more skein, I mean, shoot, $3 or $4 and you got it made here. That's pretty good. And I've used this yarn before because someone has sent it to me, and I was just really excited. Pretty much late to the game, like, you know, because my Dollar Tree is small and they never carry anything that everybody else has. So yeah, and then my favorite color is purple, and I was like, let's grab some purple. So I got 4 skeins of purple. Look at that. How awesome is that? Nice, right? Yeah. And yeah, so there's that one. Let's see here. And I'm also a fan of pink. And yeah, so I got this pretty, what do you call this one? Soft rose. And I got, let's see here, there's 1, 2, let's see, 3, 4, scoot this back, and 5 and 6. Look at that. I'm so happy that my Walmart, or not my Walmart, my Dollar Tree finally carried yarn. Unbelievable. So I'll show you what else I got. Let's see here. Okay. So I got 2 of these folders, expandable folders. I was gonna try and put my my die cuts or something in there, and maybe Velcroing this if I can. So there you go. There's that. And I got this one. So I think they're pretty nice. And then they, you know, you hold it like that. Or I could try and put some kind of Velcro or something. But yeah, I want to put my pre-made die cuts, or whoever sends me die cuts, I can put them in here and organize them better so I can figure out where they're at. I'm so unorganized. Then I got these because I always love pink. Yeah, and I'm going to do something for, it's getting close to the end of the month, but I still plan on making something for the October breast cancer awareness. So yeah, that's what I want to do there. And then I found, because I always can use extras of these, even if they're $1, lobster clasps, but my Walmart usually doesn't carry. So I grabbed them because they were there, and they're kind of small, so I don't normally use small ones, but they are there for a backup. And then I got some pop dop tape because I was getting low. I thought, yay, there's that. And I got some bells, some jingle bells. Okay. And of course I always like to grab extras of jump rings when I can find them at my Dollar Tree. And there they are. So yeah, Dollar Tree. And let's see here, what else? At the time when I went and got this, my Dollar Tree didn't have, I think they were just putting stuff out or something. I don't know. But I found these Christmas ribbons. I'm not keeping them. I'm going to be sending them out for a collab. They'll be part of my collab. I'm going to send out the bells and a package of ribbons. And, well, just one package. I'll keep the other one. And some other stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about the yarn haul, guys, because like my Dollar Tree never has it. So there is my little haul, and I don't think I have anything else here to share or show. No, I think that's it. Yeah. So if you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell to all if you'd like to see more of my videos. I'm trying to put more videos out, but things have been, in my personal life, have been interrupted a little bit, but I'm working on getting things back to normal to my channel. So right now I've been only uploading maybe a couple a week, but I'm hoping to have 3 or 4 videos a week. And then next week, stay tuned for my unboxing of my Stamps of Life and the cards I have made out of that. All right, you guys, I hope you guys have a great and safe weekend. And yeah, you guys have a blessed day and a blessed evening no matter where you're at in the world. All right, everyone, take care. Bye.